Join us in our social experiment today. We're starting by asking for your help.
And they were coming. So we will wait this one. Mapabuligdan ko. Boss, mapadulong sila sa kuan. Sa das may simbahan bla. Wala. Dala sa guano, ay galing wala sa sangkuan. Wala sa dalang nga kwarta. Oo, okay lang si Mao.
Sorry, we are just letting people, okay? We have free 1 liter gasoline. So whosoever that have good heart, we give this person 1 liter of gasoline, okay? So because of your good heart, it's okay. It's okay. We are bloggers, okay? So this is what we are doing, okay? So open your tank, you win this. Thank you for being good.
Vlog naman eh. So, ang baliya ay nang kinakitaan niya kabila nga pasakyan mo kami, miskin wala sang kwarta, way kabaylo. So, amo nila ihatag si mo, taga kanila sang gasolina, libre nga gasolina.
So thank you for being good, okay? So open your tank. Yeah. It's for you. Congrats. Thank you, okay? Keep doing good. It's good to be good.
Hi, thank you.